So we are now recording. Okay, so as you see in the layers panel on the right, you have like design shortcuts, resources that includes tags and shirts, shadows, and background. So obviously, like, oh, you could change the background by double clicking the color or something and picking a different one. So when you download a mockup, because normally you get one of these, oh wait, top of this panel, by downloading and opening in Photoshop, you want to start by clicking around through all the layers, because they'll usually, whoever creates this will label them for you. So you have t-shirt darken, and if you turn that off, usually, oh yeah, you can see it. The shirts are lighter. So when they made their mock-up, everything looked a little overexposed. So they added a layer just to darken it back down. But if you're working and you're like, now it looks too dark, you can hide or delete that layer. And so we also have what's in our t-shirts layer. In our t-shirts group, we know we have a group because there's a drop-down arrow. We have highlights, shadows, t-shirt 1, t-shirt 2. And my guess is if you go into those and use those drop-down arrows, look, you can see there's sleeve color and t-shirt color, and they were created using that solid color fill adjustment layer. So if you double click here on t-shirt color, and I say pink, now my shirt is pink. I don't know why they decided to have the sleeves a different color. It's not like a baseball tee, but they are. So if I want my sleeves to match, double click the color of the adjustment layer, make it pink as well, and voila. And then in terms of where do we put our actual logos, for this mockup, I believe they're going to be up in the design shortcuts folder. So we have design 1, design 2, and then we have tag 1 and tag 2. You can turn the tags, little like paper hang tags, completely on and off. Mine's going really slow and it's not responding. That's weird. But usually, if I were to double click on design 1, and it has this icon, which means it's a smart object. So I double click on, double click on the icon, not the name. It opens up the logo in a new like tab. So I have my mockup and I have my t-shirt design side by side here. So this is where you would change, you would paste in your logo design, or you could change the colors, things like that. And when you make an adjustment, so just, oh, wrong button. I want to, for the sake of making this video fast, I'm just gonna have it, hello. I wanted to transform it. Oh my God, dictionary, are you kidding? I'm so sorry to Max who has to watch this later. You just like add an adjustment layer now, okay. Too long. Well, this is gonna look terrible, but you know, maybe I'll get the point across. Hit okay. Did I do it wrong? It works better in Photoshop if you, maybe I have to hit S. So get my paint bucket. Hello. Okay, that should definitely, so I'm gonna hit just Command S work, file save, smart object updated. Okay. Ah, look, and so it looks terrible because all I did was use a black paint bucket. But, so you're gonna drag in or copy paste in whatever logo you're playing with and replace their custom tees mockup kit. So you're gonna double click on, go up into the folder called design shortcuts. And then for design 1, double click. And this is where you'll put your artwork for your t-shirt. You can delete that, and you'll hit Command S or Control S or File Save when you're ready to have it applied to the mockup. End the recording.